this evening is a bit historic in many, many ways because we are here at the introduction of the prestigious Indian Academy Awards, which is actually a celebration. This extravaganza will be nothing short of a mega show that brings about the best not only in Bollywood, but Hollywood and Tollywood together to create history in the entertainment world. Now, to kick off this inauguration and talk about the ceremony in greater detail, can I please call upon the director of Brainstorm Entertainment, the company that's actually founded and masterminded the IAA. Please welcome on stage Mr. Saurabh Pandey.
In my life, this is the first time I'm giving any speech. So I'm 100% sure I'm going to fumble a lot, do lots of mistakes. So please forgive me. I've never spoken in my life ever. I can't believe. Okay. Also, because the first time, so you have to apologize. I will go by reading. So I was just sitting with Ali Bhai. He said, when Modi can read, you can also read. Okay. So to start with, I would like to begin by thanking each one of you, and this is coming from my heart, because I never thought that this evening I will be able to see. And to be very honest, sitting from here, there's so much light, I can't even see anybody. Okay, today is the beginning of a new journey that I dreamt years ago. It gives me immense pleasure to share my happiness with you at the launch of the Indian Academy Award conceived by Brainstorm Entertainment. Thank you once again. Thank you. I've always been a movie buff. I'm kind of who eat, sleep, and drink movies. People who know me personally, they know what I mean, because somewhere in the past, they have gone through the torture and all the things because of me. So pardon, but that passion has now turned up into a global offering in the form of Indian Academy Award, which with love we call IAA. Okay. The dream that I saw would have not reached this stage if I didn't have the support and guidance of two people. That's very important, ladies and gentlemen. I need to start with this. These two names are close to my heart, and I hold huge amount of respect and love for them, and will remember how they stood by all my life. And they are Mr. Ali Marani and Mr. Shamak Davar. Thank you, sir, both of you so much. I remember the day when I met you for the first time and discussed this. You said, Saurabh, go ahead and we are with you. Thank you so much. Before I go further, there are a few other names I'd like to mention because they are the friends who always help you in the journey. Just like to quickly say the name because there are a few friends who are sitting outside India also, in States also. To start with the name from Mr. Dr. Vijay, Ritu, Ayush, Silky, Mr. Ghanshyam Bhai, Sanjay Bhai, Ankur, Kumar Mohanji. I don't know where Kumar Mohanji is sitting. I can't see him. Again, he is someone who has always helped me big time. Mr. Naresh Gupta ji. I have two friends who just fly down today afternoon from US just to attend this press conference, and they are leaving by 10 p.m. in the flight back. Sanjay Bhatnagar and Raj Rahi, thank you so much. Mr. Rahul Chanda, thank you so much for coming all the way. Gurmeet, I can't see you wherever you are. Okay, now I always wanted to do something big and beyond Bollywood. I always dreamt of seeing my favorite stars sharing the same stage. I'm a huge fan of South Indian films, Hollywood films, and of course, Bollywood, that I have grown watching since my childhood. This dream of bringing Hollywood, Bollywood, and Tollywood together on one stage is the big idea behind Indian Academy Award. What else makes it one of its kind is the fact that it is an award by the people and for the people. We are creating a platform for all movie lovers, fans across the world who will be able to share their views, express, chat, and vote all at one place. All these people will be the part of the Academy who will have the right to express their likes and dislikes throughout the year at our website. It is an attempt to bring the stars and films closer to each other and connect as they do in real life. Indian Academy Award will be seen as the huge celebration for the fans globally who have come together to vote for their best films, stars, actors, and so on in the form of the grand award night which will have happen year by year. And look at the perfect timing. With the newly elected US President and our dynamic Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, whose global vision and leadership has taken the relationship between two countries to another level. here we announce the Indian Academy Award that will not only boost our cultural exchanges, but also strengthen the bond we share among two countries. Last but not the least, I'm humbled to have Mr. Shah Rukh Khan on board with us, who has mesmerized the Indian, the global audience with his presence and films all over the world. Sir, I thank you for gracing the occasion with your presence. I also thank all the media people. And before I leave the stage, another two last name, one my wife, without whom I'm not been able to stand here. I even can't see where she is sitting. And my business partner, Vanna. My son is saying, Papa, yes, Ronnie, you are here. Thank you so much. Thank you again from bottom of my heart.
Saurabh, there are a few questions that I'd like to ask you. So tell me, tell all of us, California, it's a very, I don't think we've had a movie, award ceremony based there before. Why did you choose California?
Okay, you know, Mini, we did almost 3 years of research before locking California, and we are doing in what the world calls Silicon Valley Bay Area, because in last 2 years we have traveled at least, I don't remember how many times, and we saw the people there, the warmth of people there, the madness about Indian cinema. I will not use the word Bollywood, because Bollywood, everybody is mad. Yeah. But the best part, as a whole Indian cinema, they are just crazy. You just name the film, name the star, they know. So after doing a whole hell research, we thought, okay, let's go and do in California Bay Area.
Wonderful. I'm sure it'll make a lot of film lovers really happy. The other thing that struck me as very unusual is that, in so many awards, we still find, the regional cinema, which is now, of course, called Tollywood and Bollywood awards together, but you've also included Hollywood. So how did you think of encompassing all these three industries all in one?
Okay, this is a very small, I will not like to detail more right now because there's some surprise for the future also. Yeah, but on a personal note, I started my career with the Hollywood studio called Columbia TriStar Films, which is based out of there. So I'm a very big fan of Hollywood. And again, in the last 5 years, if you see, the Hollywood is creating a big impact in Indian market, and we love Hollywood stars also. So using our personal relationship, friend network, and now Mr. Shamak Dawar and Sinek there, why don't we give our audience a pool of Hollywood stars also? So as I said, let the surprise picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Fantastic. I think this would be a great point to show everyone a short AV on the Indian Academy Awards.
Yes.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Are we ready? All right, let's go for it. At another all-time high after seeing this, it's an academy that all of us have really been waiting for, a valid voice that encompasses all forms, all regional parts of the film industry as well, the film fraternity.
Good evening, everybody. Please let me welcome you to the U.S. Consulate General tonight. It's a real pleasure having you all here, and it's a real pleasure, a real personal pleasure that we'll be joined tonight by Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, who is not only one of the biggest film stars in India, but really one of the biggest film stars in the world. Speaking very candidly, when Bollywood stars come to the consulate, normally it's to get a visa. Certainly it's not to see me. So let me just take advantage of the opportunity with so many film people here, film industry people here, to say that if you're looking for a over-the-hill, middle-aged American extra for a movie, I'll give you my business card. But really, it's thrilling for us to be able to support the launch of the Indian Academy Awards. And I think the fact that the first event is taking place, the inaugural event is taking place in California, which is the home of, obviously, the American film industry, is very fitting. And it's also fitting that it takes place at a time when Bollywood and Tollywood movies are becoming ever more popular in the United States. So these Indian movies are seen in mainstream movie theaters all over the United States, many times hundreds of screens at a time. And my understanding is that films from India are now the number one business of foreign language films in the United States. So that's really great to see.
Thank you so much, Tom. And I think you'd be great if you did some Bollywood dance moves. I'm sure you'll get the opportunity. And now, ladies and gentlemen, no one really is more worthy of being called a global icon than the man who's coming on stage next. A man who has ruled Hindi cinema for over 25 years. He is the undisputed king of the Indian film industry. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Good evening, everyone, and first of all, thank you all of you who are on stage. Manoj Saab, Ali, Shamak, Tom, and Saurabh. Team which is trying to bring together what we might seem like, one more award function. But that's all right. I think more the merrier. And the idea here is to authenticate, make it something which is a little more real, honest, upfront, and different in terms of even performances that will happen later on in America.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Hi, can I ask a question? Mini?
Yep.
So my question is to Saurabh, though I'm a big fan of Shahrukh, but may I ask a question to him? Saurabh,
Saurabh is right here.
Prashant here, and
Okay,
you know
right
it's
here.
great to see you up there. I know this is your dream come true. What has been your biggest?
Would you hold the
challenge?
mic closer to your...
What's been your biggest challenge so far in the journey to today?
Honestly, biggest challenge, the challenge was very hard, but because of Ali Bhai and Shamak Davar, when you get two pillars with you, your fear goes away. To also just to add what the gentleman just asked a question to Shahrukh, that how the Hollywood makes fun. You will surprise my friend, they love Bollywood, they love Bollywood stars, because in this journey I met so many Hollywood people, and the moment we discuss about the show, they are just waiting with open heart to welcome Indian cinema to their land. And in a short while, in a short answer, it was a wonderful journey, and I'm very happy that today we are here.
Great.
Great. Thanks. Is there anyone else? Lady here, right in front.
This question is for Mr. Saurabh. I'm from Hindustan Times. Sir, you will be having a global audience voting for the best, for the winner of the award, rather. Who will be shortlisting the nominees?
We will have a jury member very soon, which will be announced very soon.
And another question is, since it's a global audience again voting, isn't it more likely that the popular star will win rather than the best performance?
Okay, that's the way we are saying as an academy, how different we are trying to say that it is a year-long process, will keep on going. It's not that something that if the event award is happening X month, just 3 months before we start the voting. Our logic is very simple, that whole 365 days, people will keep on coming on our site, on app, they will keep on writing, blogging, everything. Basis on that, that's how we will celebrate in the form of the award show.
Thank you, sir.
Shahrukh, here, center. Shahrukh, if there is one award that has eluded you, it is the national award. I remember during FAN, you had joked about retiring after getting a national award. But personally speaking, do you feel, is there any performance of yours that really deserved one? Because for me, either it was Chak De or Swades, for which you should have won a national award. So if you could just tell me.
You know, I come from a place where I think audience and jury members and my filmmakers have been very kind that I won lots of them. For me to sit back and say I could have won for that would be demeaning, you know, any award. If I didn't get it, I didn't deserve it. It's as simple as that. So I don't think there is any performance of mine till date which could have or should have got a national award. I don't perform according to winning an award. I just hope, you know, something turns out well, and it's not just me, there are 100 people making the film. The one that I'll get it for, inshallah, if I keep working hard, will be the one I deserve. But I don't think, if I haven't gotten an award, I don't deserve it. It's as simple as that. And we should work towards that. I'm not trying to be patronizingly giving you advice, but like I said, it's been a good evening, so I'm feeling like a star, so I'm just letting you know. And thank you very much, and you know, for all the support, always, for every endeavor of the Indian film industry. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, Shahrukh, for
Thank you,
supporting and
gentlemen.
giving this confidence. Thank you.
Thank you. Can